Why raw apple cider vinegar works for losing weight. The real reason. Hi friends, I'm Ivy. Please subscribe to my channel. And please press the bell icon for regular update. And share it with your friends, maybe it will help him. So what's all the sensational hoopla about this grease-cutting, weight-sucking vinegar anyway? To those who are unfamiliar with raw, unfiltered ACV, it's a great way to boost your metabolism and a very healthy way to charge up your immune system. It helps with detoxification and aids in weight loss. 1. Research has found that apple cider vinegar has the ability to keep blood sugar levels regulated, and this vinegar can also help you lose weight and keep it off. 2. Experts also believe that apple cider vinegar increases your liver's ability to eliminate toxins and improves circulation, making it easier for the body to eliminate toxins. The cleansing effects of apple cider vinegar are thought to be a result of the acids that are included in the vinegar. 3. The acids found in apple cider vinegar work by binding to toxins and free radicals that have been stored in the organs, fat cells and the blood, and the acids pull these toxins out of the body, eliminating the impurities completely. The body also gets a significant amount of minerals, enzymes, and vitamins from apple cider vinegar, which also helps the body eliminate toxins. 4. If you regularly deal with blood sugar levels that bounce up and down, this often causes your body to store more fat, increasing the risk for heart disease and diabetes. In many cases, sugary snacks, white bread, and other starches can cause this problem, but the apple cider vinegar can help stabilize your blood sugar levels. Balances your body's pH. Keeping your body at the proper pH is important, and drinking alcohol or coffee can disrupt your natural pH. Apple cider vinegar includes acetic acid, which helps to keep the body's pH levels balanced, ensuring you have an alkaline pH. When your body is more alkaline, you enjoy higher energy levels and improved immune function. While vinegar is acidic, the effect it has on your body is an alkalizing effect. Limes and lemons also have an alkalizing effect on the body. Here's an easy recipe you can make. 2 teaspoons raw apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. 1 teaspoon cranberry juice, optional. 8 ounces of filtered water. Some ginger juice, this is optional. Just mix all the ingredients and drink it with an empty stomach. By drinking this mixture, you can detoxify the body, regulate the body's pH, eliminate problems with kidney stones, and prevent sickness. Thanks to all of you who are watching me, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. And please stay tuned for more.